The West Coast is getting battered by some very heavy precipitation. We're talking some heavy rainfall that could lead to some flooding and then some heavy snowfall in the highest elevations. That could be adding up to maybe 2 or 3 feet by the time we're all said and done with this. Also a lot of wind. But again, the West Coast storm kind of our main concern. Also talking about some southern heat that could be reaching record levels by Friday. Here's a view from Mount Rainier in Washington. Snowing again. These areas of precipitation will be adding up to several feet here from the Sierra Nevada Range to the Cascades, also through the Intermountain West, where even some of those winter storm watches have been posted. Now, the lower elevations, not quite as much. Jackson, maybe a couple of inches there. Same for Missoula, but where you're seeing the darker blues, even some purples, that's where we're getting indications of maybe a foot or 2 or more of snow. So the Cascades through Wednesday afternoon and evening, maybe a foot or 2 there total, and the Sierra Nevada Range through Friday could be talking as much as 2 to 3 feet of snow. The lower elevations near the coast out near Ukiah in California, we're talking some decent rainfall. In fact, we do have a number of flood watches and flash flood watches that have been posted along the coast. And again, some spots up near Portland could see maybe 1.5 inches, close to 2 inches in some areas near Northern California. And as we head farther south, even San Francisco picking up close to 1.5 inches of total precipitation there. So we do have this bigger storm system sitting in the Gulf of Alaska, and on the southern flank of that, areas of precipitation continue to work in. With each little impulse of energy, we have more bundles of energy there that contain wind, so that is going to be another concern. But even down into Los Angeles, a little bit of rainfall. On the eastern flank of that, temperatures are warming up quite a bit. In fact, over the southern portions of the country here on Friday, we're going to be about 20 degrees above average. Many 80s showing up across Oklahoma and Texas. Could also be talking about record highs there on Friday as well.